repeal that farmers' laws, anti-farmers' laws. Congress party has been in the forefront right from the beginning. We have even tell the Mr. Rahul Gandhi had told the Prime Minister that you cast aside your ego and prioritize farmers' interests and repeal the farm laws. Now, our demands are that all these, you should revoke all the laws. Prime Minister should apologize in his public Mann Ki Baat. He had said that these farm laws publicly, that the farm laws were right. He said it was in the interest of the country. Now he's backtracked. Chief Minister of Haryana, Mr. Khattar, should apologize to the farmers for calling them terrorists. What about the withdrawal of all the FIRs vis-a-vis burning of stubble, farmers, and other FIRs? What about MSP? The Congress has been in the forefront from the first to the last. I want to remind you and take you back to the memory lane. What about the Home Affairs Ajay Mishra Teni, his son, on October 3rd, 2021? He ran over farmers. What about charges on him? What about him making to resign? In early October 20, continuously we were after the government. Mr. Rahul Gandhi led a series of tractors rally from Punjab and Haryana against the three laws. October 20, 2020 again, the Congress, Punjab was the lead state, first state to formally reject the centre's three bills and unanimously passed the bill to negate the union. Why? It was all done in the interest of the state and interest of the farmers. The farmers' views and farmers' interests were close to us. Chhattisgarh Assembly of the Congress Party approved the Chhattisgarh Krishi Upan Mandi Bill 2020, where the entire state was a market, which would exactly negate the center's laws. Again, this was done in the interest of the farmers. It was the demand of the farmers which the central government was not looking at. November 2nd, 2020, the Rajasthan Assembly passed three bills to negate the center's farm three laws. This bill stopped the application of the center's farm laws to the state. Again, this was done in the interest of the public or the people of the state at that time. The Congress party was among the oppositions, which led to the decision of boycott of the President's address of the joint sitting of the both houses of Parliament. These parties demanded an independent probe to investigation who had played a role, whether the central government had played a role in the violence that took place at the farmers' tractor rally on Republic Day parade, Republic Day. In fact, the Punjab Assembly in 2021 passed a resolution unanimously unconditional withdrawal farm laws in the interest of the farmers. The Congress Party in May 2021 extended support for the Samyukta Kisan Morcha to observe a countrywide ban on May 26. The Congress Party has been in full force against the government, central government, for the interest of the farmers. On July 26, 2021, Mr. Rahul Gandhi took a tractor to Parliament to voice a message from the farmers. He tried to give it to the Parliament. This was the consistency which our party leaders took the farmers' strike and farmers' views and their interest in parliament. Our leader, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, was also among the leaders who staged protest at Jantar Mantar in Delhi on August 21. In fact, the law of minimum support price by the Swaminathan Commission that the government should raise MSP to at least 50% more than the weighed cost of production. Even on smallest issue like MSP, we had raised issues. Even withdrawal of Electricity Amendment Bill 2020, it was the Congress Party which has raised objections, which would have an impact on the supply of electricity to the farmers. What about removal of fines? Still no views on removal of fines imposed for stubble burning. What about compensation to all the farmers who have lost their lives? Their sacrifices for the interest of the farmers being the backbone of the country. Legal guarantee and protection of mandis was one of the issues which the state we still demand. Now the Prime Minister chose politics of farmers over farmers. Instead of the farmers' betterment, he took politics, in which BJP wanted to win elections. This is the view of the Supreme Court panel, not our own view. Our own view, this is done only in interest of the elections. The farmers are a backbone of the country. The Congress Party believes that without farmers, we cannot have a strong country. So whatever interest of the farmers and agricultural interest, the Congress Party stands to protect and will always protect, which is a very good view for the country.
तीन काळे कायदे जे रद्द केले त्याका विरोध सबंध देशान शेतकऱ्यांनी केलो आणि त्याच बरोबर अन्य नागरिकांनी केलो. एक वर्षभर चलपी या आंदोलनात शेतकऱ्यांनी बलिदान केले. त्यांच्या धैर्याक, त्यांच्या साहसाक, त्यांच्या कमिटमेंटाक आणि त्यांच्या आत्मविश्वास, त्यांच्या आवेशाक आम्ही सॅल्यूट करता की त्यांच्यानी निर्धारान, धैर्यान या काळ्या कायद्यांचो विरोध केलो आणि त्यांच्यानी अशें चिंतलेले की शेवटपर्यंत आम्ही विरोध करतले आणि निश्चित जैत मेळटले. आयज तांकां ते जैत मेळ्ळा. पण त्या कायद्याच्या दृश्टीन जे कायदे लोकसभेन पास केल्या ते लोकसभेनूच ते फाटी घेवचे पडटले. ते जाता तितले बेगीन या सरकारान करचे. गोंयान या कायद्याचो विरोध करपाक बाकी अन्य कोणूच पार्टी गोंयान ज्यो ल्हान ल्हान अळमी आयज वयर सरता आनी गोंयांतल्यान स्टेटमेंट दितात, त्यो खंयच्योच पार्टी ह्या कायद्यांक विरोध करपाक जमनीर रस्त्यार येयलेना. पण काँग्रेस पार्टी सदांच शेतकऱ्या बरोबर रावले आणि शेतकऱ्यांच्या या बऱ्या खातीर शेतकऱ्याच्या आंदोलनांक सहभाग दिलो. काँग्रेस पार्टीन 12 तालुक्यांनी आंदोलन केले. काँग्रेस पार्टीन मशाल यात्रा दिवजा सर्कलाकडे केली. काँग्रेस पार्टीन ट्रॅक्टर यात्रा बिचोलसून म्हापशापर्यंत आम्ही ट्रॅक्टर यात्रा केली. काँग्रेस पार्टी राजभवनाचेर व्हड मोर्चा घेऊन गेले आणि राज्यपालाक आम्ही मेमोरंडम सबमिट केले. तो काँग्रेस पार्टी या बिलाच्या अगेन्स्ट, या कायद्यांच्या अगेन्स्ट गोंयची काँग्रेस रस्त्यार रावली, आंदोलनात सक्रिय भाग घेलो आणि आयज आमकां सगळ्यांक जैत मेळ्ळा आणि हे जैत कायदेशीर जावचे अशी आमची मागणी. आयज आम्ही पळयता की बीजेपी पार्टी जेन्ना हो कायदो येयलो आणि सगळेच लोक विरोध करपाक लागले तेन्ना बीजेपी पार्टीचे ऑफिस बेरर तुमच्या माध्यमाच्या मुखार येयले आणि अभिनंदन केले ह्या कायद्यांचे. बरे कायदे आसा अशें जावपाक जाय आसले आणि अभिनंदन केले देशाच्या पंतप्रधानांचे की हे कायदे हाडल्या म्हणून. काल मुख्यमंत्री परतून एकदा अभिनंदन करता. हे फाटी घेतल्या म्हणून अभिनंदन करता. पयलीं तुम्ही अभिनंदन केले, हे कायदे हाडले म्हणून, आणि आता तेच कायदे फाटी घेतल्या म्हणून परतून तुम्ही अभिनंदन करता. म्हणजे बीजेपी आणि बीजेपी सरकार हे सगळे कन्फ्यूज जाल्ले आसा. हे लोकांक कितें दिवप, कितें बरें आनी कितें वायट हेंका कांयच खबर ना. आमी काँग्रेस पार्टी आमी शेतकऱ्या बरोबर, सामान्य जनते बरोबर सदांच रावल्यात, हेच्या मुखारय रावतले. आमी दोग जाण तरी आमी शेतकऱ्या बरोबर गोंयांत आमी शेतकार खऱ्या अर्थान आमी शेत रोयतात, आमी शेतान वयता. आमकां शेतकऱ्यांचे सुख दुःख कितें हे आमकां दोगांक खबर आसा. आणि त्याच खातीर आमी हे कायदे जे आसले ते कशे वायट हे लोकांक पटोवन दिवपाक आनी ह्या सरकाराच्या विरुद्ध गोंयच्या काँग्रेस पार्टीन आमी रस्त्यार आंदोलन केल्ले. बाकी खंयचीच पार्टी ह्या आंदोलनात सहभागी जावंक नासले.
ओके, अनेक इश्यू म्हणटा पळय तो आयज
काल आमचे वयर एक एलिगेशन जाला की आमी राज्यसभांत कोणे रेस करून ना क्वेश्चन्स रिगार्डिंग कोल जावं डबल ट्रॅकिंग जावं खंयचे इश्यूज. आय वॉन्ट टू रिमाइंड आमगे स्टेटीन आमगेलो MP आशिल्लो लेट बाब शांताराम नाईक. तेगेले फकत ट्रॅक रिकॉर्ड दिला आणि जे पार्टीन एलिगेशन केला ते पार्टीची लीडर ती तेगे सेम बेंचाचेर बसताली आणि एलिगेशन केलें तेणें उलयलो इंस्टेड ऑफ टॉकिंग ही शुड आस्क हिज ओन लीडर. जी क्वेश्चन आहे तेगे रिकॉर्ड आसा बाब शांताराम नायकालो. क्वेश्चन्स 1139, इन्शुरन्सीस 117, debates 1020, तेगेले स्पेशल मेंशन्स 82, प्राइवेट बिल्स 56. तेगेले रिकॉर्ड पडे हा ते रिकॉर्ड अजून देखून तो कोण पडे एलिगेशन केला तेणें ब्रेक केला. that he was a best performer, one of the 20 best performers 100 times of India performance, तेगेले बेस्ट परफॉर्मन्स. आणि जे इश्यू घेतले तेणें ते गोंयचे पासून his name was so synonymous as far as Goa is concerned. Now I want to show you 2016, 2017, 2015 he raised double tracking. 2015 he raised shipping. 2016 again Sagarmala. 2017 again coal. All issues पडे हाय ते systematically Rajya Sabhat आम्ही raise केले. He is one member who he raised all issues of Goa. जे गोंयकारांक लागताले ते इतलो जोश इतले with so much of spirit he used to go. And it is wrong on part of anybody to make allegations that Congress party has not taken up the matter as far as Rajya Sabha is concerned. And not only that, amge issues in the state assembly, we have been in the forefront of raising issues in 2016, 2017, 2015 on issues of coal, double tracking, all issues, even on the ports bill. Even on the ports bill, we have asked the Chief Minister to send objections on the ports bill when the port bill was kept for objection suggestions. All issues. I want to remind the people who are making allegations to please stop making baseless allegations. That it is a fact which we have brought on records, and the records what we have spoken can be checked in the assembly as well as in the Rajya Sabha. Yes.
अमरनाथ आयज शंकर पट्टे TMC जॉइन जालो, and there he said that by the end of assembly elections Girish could be one of the richest person. What is your say? शंकर पट्टे जो तुमच्या काँग्रेसान आशिल्लो, लिगल सेलाचो आशिल्लो, पर्वरींच्यान आशिल्लो, हेजेर तुमचें कितें म्हणणें आहा? आनी वयल्यान तो बेगांत म्हणटा, पोतालो तोय बेगां म्हणटा.
आयज कोणी कितें उलोवंक शकता, इलेक्शनूय टायम आसा.
कोणी म्हणजे तुमचोच आसलो
आमचोच आसलो पण आयज आमचो ना. तेका जर उलोवपाचें आसलें जेन्ना पार्टीन आसलो पळय त्या वेळार उलोवपाचें.
तेच सांगले
कोणी
त्याला
वयतलो.
पार्टी नासतना आपण म्हणटा तेन्ना खूब पाट बोगो घाले कोण आयकोन ना
पूण तेन्ना तुवें म्हाका विचारूंक ना. तेन्ना जर विचारल्यार जाल्यार बरें.
तेन्ना तुमच्या मनशांनी सांगून आसलें न्हू आमकां हें.
That's so he is not
तुमच्या
related
मनीस
to
मागीर
us.
सांगता आमी सांगना.
पळय, आयज तो काँग्रेसीन ना.
हा.
तो गेला पयशांक तोच बॅगान गेला आसतलो. सो तो उलयता आसतलो ती बॅगां तेका खबर आसतली. आमकां खबर ना. काँग्रेसची पार्टीची संस्कृती बॅगा बिगा तसली ना.
Reginald, that Mr. Falore alleged that setting the Congress vote bank split करपाची setting the when selecting the MLAs process selection of candidates that is done by setting and the Congress vote bank is being taken for granted. That is he has alleged that in press conference.
He was the party president at one time. It is shame for him to make such an allegation. The allegation implies to him only that he was holding the position. If at all he is saying that. So I don't want to go into business allegations, whatever he is saying. And let us make one thing clear. People who have jenna on काम करता मनीस त्यांना दुसऱ्यांचे उलयना काम करता तो मनीस दुसऱ्यांचे उलयता ते भाशेन I can safely say that people who are making allegations must be, he must be having some intent of mind. म्हणजे कितें जाल्यार पयशां कितें जाल्यार डील जाला आसतली ताका लागून तो अशें करून उलयता आसतलो. But then we deny any such type of thing that is happening in the Congress party. I have been in the Congress party for so many years. We have not seen this type of things. If at all he says it, must be maybe or must be he has done it. That's it.
You are also the working president. So how far this process of alliance issue is going on?
See, we will take everybody into confidence, and without which we will not do anything. That's one thing sure. And the first thing when we do it, we will inform you.
But alliance will take place.
We will inform you whatever decision we take, and you will be the first person to be informed. Make sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.